Is your 2015-2018 Honda Fit key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. The 2015-2018 Honda Fit key fobs are durable and are easily serviced in your own home. The 2015-2018 Honda Fit key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a very common battery type, readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon for around $30–$10. While a CR2025 might fit, the CR2032 is recommended for optimal performance and battery life of 1 to 3 years. The tools needed for replacing your Honda Fit key fob battery are simple and accessible. You only need one essential tool: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. A plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratches, but both tools will work. Avoid using metal tools on the internal electronics to prevent shorts. Having a small cloth to lay the items on is also recommended. Carefully inspect the key fob for a seam that runs around the edge where the two halves meet. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam you located. Twist the tool gently to begin prying the fob open. Be careful to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Work your way around the entire seam until the key fob separates into two halves. With the key fob open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. The positive side with the plus symbol should be facing upward. Gently tilt the battery to one side or lift it straight out of the compartment. Be careful not to bend or damage the battery contacts. If needed, use your finger or a plastic pry tool to gently dislodge the battery. Avoid metal tools that could cause electrical shorts. Here are examples of the CR2032 battery you need. Make sure you have the correct 3-volt lithium coin cell before proceeding. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it sits flush in the holder. The battery should snap into place or fit snugly. Confirm that the battery is correctly oriented before proceeding. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed and secure. Test all the buttons, lock, unlock, and panic to confirm the new battery is working correctly. The LED light on the fob should illuminate when a button is pressed. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation to ensure the positive side is facing up. Also verify that you're using a fresh, new battery, as a weak one may not provide enough power. As Honda certified mechanic John Davis noted in a 2024 Motor Trend interview, these fobs are durable, and battery swaps are routine and rarely fail if done correctly. However, improper handling can lead to expensive replacements costing over $200, so always handle components carefully. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly according to local recycling guidelines. If the fob shows signs of damage from drops or overprying, it's often more cost-effective to purchase a replacement fob rather than attempting repairs.